The Kite Runner, Khalid Hosseini, Book Summary. Master everything you need to know right here in this one video. We have gathered the most critical facts, real examples, and expert insights together so you get complete clarity and confidence starting right now. The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini is a powerful tale of friendship, betrayal, and redemption set against the turbulent backdrop of Afghanistan's history. The story follows Amir, a young boy from a wealthy family, and his friendship with Hassan, the son of his father's servant. The core premise explores themes of guilt and redemption. After a traumatic event during a kite flying tournament, Amir betrays Hassan, leading to a lifetime of regret and a quest for atonement. The novel follows Amir's journey from Kabul to California and back, as he seeks to make amends for past wrongs. One transformative insight is the exploration of the complexities of father-son relationships. Amir's desire for his father's approval drives many of his decisions, illustrating the deep impact parental expectations can have on a child's identity and choices. Hosseini delves into how unmet expectations and secrets can shape family dynamics. Another significant theme is the power of forgiveness and the possibility of redemption. Amir's journey highlights the importance of confronting one's past and seeking forgiveness, both from others and oneself, to achieve personal healing and peace. Hosseini shows that redemption is a difficult but transformative process. The novel also addresses the socio-political upheaval in Afghanistan, shedding light on the impact of historical events on individual lives. Through Amir's eyes, readers witness the devastation wrought by conflict and the resilience of those who endure. This context provides depth to the personal struggles faced by the characters. One of the most memorable moments is the kite flying tournament, a symbol of Amir and Hassan's friendship and the turning point in their lives. The event encapsulates the joy and innocence of childhood, juxtaposed with the harsh realities that follow. Khalid Hosseini, an Afghan-born author, draws from his own experiences as an expatriate to create authentic and emotionally resonant narratives. His background as a physician adds depth to his compassionate portrayal of complex human emotions and relationships. The Kite Runner remains significant today for its exploration of universal themes such as friendship, guilt, and redemption. In a world where people are often grappling with personal and collective histories, Hosseini's narrative provides insight and understanding. An actionable takeaway from The Kite Runner is the encouragement to confront past mistakes and seek reconciliation. Hosseini's story inspires readers to embrace the difficult path of redemption, emphasizing that healing and forgiveness are possible, no matter how deep the wounds. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.